Hi foodies, today we're going to use the Breville Grill Press and we're going to make grilled eggplant. I've got some eggplant here on this pan, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some olive oil. We got to get them seasoned, some olive oil on them, and some salt, a little bit of Italian seasoning. So I'm just going to brush it on there just like this, just like this. Remember, eggplant soaks things up, so it's okay.
It's like a sponge.
It's like a sponge. So we're gonna get some nice Italian seasoning and some garlic here. Okay, garlic on top, and some salt. Okay, a little salt. And when I flip them, I'm gonna get them right on here, right there. We're gonna grill these babies up, right here. Okay. And you're flipping them over because what I'm going to do while they're on here, I've got a couple more I got to get on here, and I'm going to get some more olive oil on here. There we go. And we're going to just brush it out like that, and we're going to do both sides of these with olive oil, but we're going to get the olive oil on the grill press, okay? All right, Anna. Peter Carpizzo's making grilled eggplant that you can use in anything. Eggplant parm, eggplant on top of it just as a vegetable, eggplant sandwiches, eggplant. Give it a try. So this is Peter Carpizzo's out.